My name is Stefan Roppelt. I work for the Customer Service Department for Siemens Digital Industries. We use Paessler PRTG to monitor our Industrial Automation DataCenter. This data center consists of different modules that come from different vendors. And on this data center, we have our PCS7 system. PRTG offers interfaces to all the different protocols that we use in our own system. This way we can provide templates to faster include our own products into the PRTG monitoring system. And we can also support third-party vendors to join the same system. With the PRTG monitoring solution, we will be alerted even if minor defects or failures will be inside the system. And we can trigger our maintenance crews to repair those minor systems even before they reach impact to the production.